Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to drive a manual car. It's like learning a secret handshake. Learning manual is cool. Many think it is hard, like super hard. But it's not a monster. It is a friendly new skill, a skill you can learn easy. You will feel very proud, like you won a good race. Why learn this old way? That is a good question. Manual cars give you control. You are the car's true boss, not some smart computer. It is like you are the DJ. You choose all the music. The car listens to you, and there is more good news. Manual cars can save money. Yes, real money for you. They can cost less to buy, and often they use less fuel. So your wallet is happy. More cash left for you. Learning and saving. Great. Plus, a really big bonus. You can drive many cars, anywhere you go, all over. Imagine you are on a trip. You rent a car far away. Oh no, it is a manual. But you know how, no problem. Adventure can start now. Okay, let's meet the parts. Your feet have new work. Look down. See 3 pedals, not 2. 3 is the key. Left to right. Clutch, brake, gas. Say it: clutch, brake, gas. The clutch is the special one. He is new. He is vital. What does this clutch pedal do? It is like a big switch. It links engine to wheels, or it unlinks them for you. Press clutch fully down. Engine power is cut off. This helps you change gears smoothly, without a big jerk. Next is the cool gear stick. This lever is your command. It sits there near your hand. It has numbers on it. 1, 2, 3. Also 4, 5, and R, reverse. Each number is a new gear, for different speed and power. You choose the right one. What about the other pedals? You may know these two. The brake is in the middle. It makes the car stop. Safe. The gas pedal is on right. It makes the car go faster. Your right foot does both jobs. Left foot is for clutch only. Okay, ready for action? Seatbelt on, good job. Mirror set, very smart. Take a big, deep breath. First, gear stick in neutral. It should wiggle side to side. Now press clutch fully down, turn key. Engine starts. Yes. Now let's make it move. This part is a slow dance. Keep clutch pedal pressed down. Move gear stick to first gear, usually up then to the left. Very slowly, lift clutch foot. At same time, gently press gas. Super soft, super gentle. You need to find a sweet spot. It is the biting point. Engine sound might change then. Car wants to move a bit. When you feel this, pause. Hold clutch there for a second, add a tiny bit more gas. Just a little puff of gas. Car starts to roll smoothly. Good. Slowly lift clutch foot, all the way off the pedal. And you are now driving. You are moving that manual car. Well done. It might be jumpy, or a car may stall. Engine stops. That is okay. Everyone stalls. Let's talk common mistakes. We all make them. It's fine. Stalling is number 1. Car goes clunk, then stops. Usually clutch up too fast, or not enough gas given. It needs balance, like a game. Your feet will learn this. Another mistake, riding clutch. This means foot stays on clutch, even when not changing gears. Please don't do this. Bad. It wears out the clutch part. That can cost you much money. So, foot off when cruising. Let your left foot rest. Rolling back on a hill. Oh, this can feel scary. Car wants to go backwards. When you want to go up, use handbrake to help you, or be quick with your feet. Brake, then gas, then clutch. Practice this on flat land first. So that is the basic guide. Driving stick. You learned lots. Seems like much, I know, but you can really do it. Remember clutch, gears, and feet. Practice in an empty place. Soon it will feel so easy. You will be a manual pro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that I can be able to make this educative video. See you.